My name is Jerome Adger. I've served the United States Marine Corps for over 13 years. I'm currently transitioning outside the Marine Corps. I ran into Welcome Home Group, I think about 3 weeks ago. I went to a job fair down at the University of Miami, or actually the Florida International University down in Miami, and they went ahead and talked about the service that they provide to veterans. I really appreciate it because I realize that there are organizations out there that are looking out for veterans. I think that's something very important. It's a free service for veterans, so I think that's a way that these organizations show their appreciation for the time and the services that we've provided to our nation and obviously for our fellow service members. Spoke to the representatives out there. They help you generate your resume. They create a profile, provide additional information where all you have to do is provide the key information, key background information, so that way you can they can go ahead and implement the resume in the most accordant manner. So after the resume portion is done, then they'll have a representative that helps you focus on what is the interview process. And pretty much this is your personal guide. This is somebody that's going to be able to explain to you the details as far as what to expect, what are some of the challenges and some of the things that you need to overcome during the interview process. This Welcome Home Group is so focused on helping its veterans that they'll even go out of their way. They'll speak to you at night, on the weekends. They'll even meet with you one-on-one if they have to, in order to make you feel comfortable. So with that being said, I took advantage of that opportunity. I had several interviews the same week after this type of support from Welcome Home, and the great thing is I was able to get 3 interviews, and 2 have actually offered me positions working here in the next several weeks. So it's a great opportunity. I definitely value it. I would recommend that all veterans take the time to look into this service, because it's something that's going to help you in the long run, both personally and professionally.
Like that?
I think one of the best things about this service is that it's web-based. In other words, what you do is you provide the representative all the information, and they go ahead and create a link, right? And in that link, they can actually you provide a card, which is your personal business card, which they help you generate, and that allows the employer to actually go into the site and look at your resume virtually. Another good thing about the program or about this system is that it has direct access to your Facebook account if you like, or even to your LinkedIn account. It has a Word document of your resume, and another great feature of it also is that it provides right in the bottom of the link itself, you have the opportunity to provide vocal responses. So they'll ask you, why should you hire me, or tell me what your strengths are, and you're able to record your answer. So as an employer is looking at it, they can go ahead and just read the question out loud, or read the question that's being presented, hit the play button, and it's your own voice providing that response. It's something that I haven't seen. I mean, it's more complex than what you might see in LinkedIn or any other of these programs that provide job-seeking opportunities. So that's one of the biggest benefits about this program too.